Hi guys, I'm here today with Papergang and Bookishly. My name's Fawn and this is my channel and it's my happy place. I do unboxings, I do shopping hauls, I do all kinds of everything really. If you think you might like it, then please do give me a thumbs up, click subscribe and leave a comment. So, Papergang, always one of my favourites, and Bookishly. You can probably tell I'm still suffering from this cold. It's been a proper summer cold. It has kicked my butt. And I'm a little bit fed up because I seem to have had nothing but bugs so far this year. Something to do with pandemic and having been in a bubble and now not in a bubble and the grandbabies at nursery and ugh. But today I'm going to have my scans, some tests done for my gallbladder. So I've had to tidy up a little bit. So I thought, right, I'm not wasting this. This was the best I could manage. I'm not wasting this. I'm going to get a couple of videos done. I've got so many fashion videos to do for you. I've got so many lovely things to show you. And you know, haven't tried on loads of them. I've been opening them and going, oh, I like that. I'm going to have to go on and do them. But I just have literally not felt up to, you know, dressing up and parading back and forth. I just, oh, the very thought. But I'm going to try and get back on it. So let's do something nice. Let's do Bookishly first because it's always the quicker one of the two. As you know, every month I get Bookishly. I have Bookishly and tea. You can have it and coffee. This is just the basic, I think they call it the classic. You don't get anything, you know, they do, oh, I'm burbling away already. They do crates where you get a lot more things in them, but I'm just happy with this at the moment, although I might try a crate sometime and see what it's like. So my tea this month is Tea of Toad Hall. Oh, don't tell me it's Wind in the Willows. Tea of Toad Hall, which is a luxury chamomile, so I can actually have this one. And I've got to tell you, mint tea and chamomile tea have been my friends the last few days of my sore throat and just feeling generally blur. So, yeah, Tea of Toad Hall, luxury chamomile. Then my bookmark. The bookmarks have become much plainer than they used to. Now they're, you know, they're much more simple in design. I'm not sure I like them as much, but hey ho. It says, all this he saw for one moment, breathless and intense, vivid on the morning sky, and still as he looked, he lived, and still as he lived, he wondered. The Wind in the Willows. Ah, oh, this is an all-time favourite book. I've already read this one once to my grandbabies. I mean, over, you know, a period of time. They won't sit still for a whole book. I just think I did the voice for a whole book, mind you. Oh, that, now, you see that dust jacket is lovely, but that's just not as, they used to be matching. They're not anymore. That is beautiful, the artwork on that. The Wind in the Willows by Kenneth Grahame. I even have The Wind in the Willows in Audible so that I can listen to it. Because it is a sort of a, oh, I don't know, it's childlike, but it's very adult, it's very, I don't know, it's just a brilliant book. So I'm really happy with that because I have been doing a lot of sitting around, although reading has been difficult because my head, oh, shocking, it even gave me toothache the other day, all down here, on my ear, and my oh. Anyway, that was Bookishly for the month of June. It is, yes, it's June. I'm like a thing demented. I went down with this just after my eldest daughter and her husband arrived. It's been chaos since they've been here because I've got loads of their belongings here and they're going up in the loft and they're going to various places and they've promised things to people. So my home is chock-a-block at the minute. They kind of not ruined my blue bedroom. I will show you once they've gone and it's all cleaned up. But she put in a plea to have her bed in that room, which is a super king size bed in pink velvet. Because she wasn't going to get much for it second hand. She'd paid quite a lot for it from, I think it was made.com. And absolutely loves this bed and would be really upset to sort of let it go for £100 or something, but it doesn't really fit in that room. I think I can probably, possibly, maybe make it work. But yeah, there's another reason why I'll be glad when she comes back from New York. Is I won't have to have all their stuff around my house. Anyway, Papergang by Oh Dear. As you know, I've always loved the name Oh Dear. It just cracks me up. I don't know who came up with it. I think they're brilliant, whoever they are, because it just cracks me up. And it's always so colourful. I've just finished writing a letter, funnily enough, to somebody, so my mind was on stationery. As usual, it says, can you just see in there? Hello, stationery lover. And then opening it up, in the box, it's so, I mean, it's so beautifully presented. These make fabulous gifts for people. Really, really, because you can do one-offs. You don't have to sign up for a year or 6 months. You can do one-offs when there's a particular theme that you love. You've got to be quick, but you can do it. They make fabulous thinking of you gifts. Anyway, for every 4 boxes that they sell, they plant a tree, which is another thing I really, really love. And then inside, it used to be a book. Now it's more like a, I was going to say a map. You know, it reminds me of a map, the way it folds out, which tells me what's in here and all about the designer. And oh, this is a creative duo called Sea Creatures, only it's S-E-E. And there they are, Sea Creatures. And we're going to a tropical world of colour and beauty. Who wouldn't want to be in the tropics right now? Me with my cold, probably. So let's go for it. Open it up. Ooh, straight away. There's another stamp set. I've had a few stamp sets from them now. That is really nice. It's like navy blue. Maybe not even navy. Slightly below, maybe French navy. Is French navy more blue? I don't know. And 3 stamps. One of a seagull. One that says happy birthday. And one of a sort of tropical leaf. That's nice, isn't it? I never used to do stamping or anything like that, but I've had a few things now that I've had stamps in, you know, stamp sets in, and I've started to do it a little bit. I've also got 4 sticker sheets, which, yeah, Papergang sticker sheets. Again, it says happy birthday down here, love you, thank you, you're awesome, birds, leaves, all that sort of thing. They really are, they're lovely quality. I always find that their sticker sheets are beautiful quality from Papergang, so I'm always very happy with that. Ah, I've just realised what I'm looking at. I was sitting here looking into it going, 4 blank cards with envelopes. So let me show you. The envelopes are so pretty. I mean, look at that for an envelope. But the cards are blank, so it just says Papergang. So you've got to decorate it up yourself using the stamp and the stickers and the other things that we've got from Papergang. What a brilliant idea. It'll actually get me being arty, because I am not arty. So there's that one with the flowered envelope. Then there's this one with sort of, would that be clouds? I don't know. Blodges of colour. Pretty though. Then there is that one with coloured leaves. And this one with birds. Oh, that's really good. I mean, I am not artistic at all. I'm quite creative, but I'm not artistic. I can't draw. I can't. So things like stencils and stamps and stickers and all of that, they make all the world of difference to me. So I love this. Cards that I can send to friends that I can literally, totally personalise. Then there is also a notepad. They do the loveliest notepads and notebooks. Look at the colours. I mean, look at the colours around the edge of this. It is so totally tropical. It's quite big as well, and I like the fact that it's lined. I know some people say you shouldn't use lined paper. It's, you know, it's not very... I am a wanderer with my writing, so it's a boon to me. I've never been very good at it, so lines are always wonderful for me, and I think they're quite nice. So a notepad, and then 3 pens. And again, I love their pens. I mean, look at these. They are so totally tropical. There is a blue, a green, and a pink. So that was my Papergang, and I do love it. These are gel pens, apparently. So I do like gel pens, and they are lovely colours. Then there was the notebook. Going backwards, I tried to be good with this and I'm not very good at it. Then there was the blank greeting cards with gorgeous envelopes, 4 of. The 3 rubber stamps, so the leaf, the happy birthday and the bird. The actual little ink stamper. And then the 4 sheets of stickers. And these are washi tape stickers apparently. Yeah. So, I mean, just from those and the stamps, you can do something, can't you, on those cards? So that was it. That was Papergang for the month of June. I feel like I haven't done one of these for so long. I've been putting things on. Some of them are really old. I put a snack box on the other day. The one I said was herding cats. We did that ages ago, you know. But it was so bad. I thought, oh God, I can't put this up. But I didn't delete it either. And then I thought, no, what are you doing? You're not well. You know, stick it up. So that was Bookishly and Papergang for the month of June. I'm going to go on and do another video now. Not now, you know, in a minute. A separate one. So I've got some things to put up for you guys. And then, as I said, I should have news from my doctor's visit, from the scans and tests that they do. And hopefully I'll get a little bit further forward. I'm on vitamins at the minute, girls, to try and boost myself up a bit. Can't say that they're making much difference, but I'm sure I've just got to be patient. Anyway, I hope wherever you are, you're happy. I hope you don't get a summer cold like this, because it's a stinker. And I'll see you really, really soon. Okay, bye guys.